Students, on this video, I'm going to cover the basic information for the Project 1 assignment. So this is your first assignment using Adobe Photoshop Express. And it's actually going to be a pretty simple assignment. We're going to go to, I'm going to have you go to this website called unsplash.com. It's an excellent source for free images that we can use. And I want you to do a search for either an apple or a pear, because those are about the right size of image to use for this assignment. So I'm going to go ahead and type in apple. And there's obviously several different options. So I'm going to use this image from Benjamin Wong. Later on in the semester, I may have you reference where your images go to, so just be aware that most of the images list who the photographer were. And so down in the right hand corner is the download photo link, so you'll select that. Then it actually will come up with Benjamin Wong's information, and then it'll come up and it's told me that my image is downloaded. So on my Chromebook, if I go over to my launch, and then I'm going to go to Files, then in my Files under Downloads, I'm going to actually be able to see this image. And right now, I'm just going to go ahead and rename this Project 1. So I'm going to right click on this, and then there's an option on here to rename. And I'm just going to rename it Project 1. And then it'll make sure you leave the JPEG behind it. Okay, so now it's in my downloads folder, and it's called Project 1. Now I'm going to go and launch my Adobe Photoshop Express app. When I do, it's going to load this image. It may take just a few minutes, or okay, here it is. So I'm going to go ahead and open that up. So the tool we're going to just use to from this assignment is the stickers tool, and the stickers tool is on the right hand side. Kind of looks like a bullseye almost. So select that, and then once this comes up, it's going to show you all the graphics that are available, and we're going to use the More option, which is on the far right. Once you select that, we've got some different things that are available on here. I'm going to keep scrolling. Okay. And then one of the things I clicked on was this. It looks like a scuba mask. So I'm going to put that on this apple. And then I'll click further, and then I found a feathered mask. I'm going to select that, and then I'm going to put this on this apple. Okay, so just have fun with this. Pick some things that you want to use. You can even put some things around the outside if you want to, but just decorate your fruit. And the main idea for this video or this assignment is to just go through the steps of submitting an image file. Okay, so now I have it done. So now I'm going to go over and I'm going to select Next. And then my file size is pretty big, so I'm going to come over here, click on that. And see that my original file size is like 5184 by 3456. So I'm going to decrease this. I'm going to decrease it down to 800 by 533. And then I'm going to select done. And if yours is that large, go ahead and make it smaller. For this assignment, we're just making this cute little graphic, so it doesn't need to be a large size. This would be a pretty large file size. So I'm going to select done. And then this is going to save it. I'm going to click save to the gallery. And then I left my quality on 85. Okay, so now I've saved it. So now if I go back to my files, in my downloads, I should see okay, I'm sorry. So whenever I saved it, it went into my Photoshop Express, and it's under my picture. So it was under Play Files and then Photoshop Express. If I open it up, there it shows it's my the finished picture that I did. Then I'm going to go ahead and just rename this Project 1. And then I'm going to go to Blackboard. So I'm going to go over here, and under Module 5, there's a folder, and it's just called Photoshop Express Assignments. I'm going to open that up, and then I'm going to select Project 1 Sticker Tool, and then I'm just going to browse. Once again, I'm going to need to go to my pictures, Photoshop Express. There it is, Project 1. Hit open, and then hit submit. And then I will have submitted my assignment. And then when it uploads, you can see it. So anyway, that covers the basic information on uploading your assignment to Blackboard.